So guys, ang dami sa inyo nag-aabang netong phone nito. Ang budget phone na si Infinix Hot 70, may 6,000 mAh na battery, 45 watts na fast charging, 128, it's a 4 plus 4 gigs of RAM, and Hot 70, nakasulat, may NFC siya, and may SGS na premium performance. So here are some specs na you might want to know. Helio G100, and of course the others, lahat nakasulat na dito. Sa natin. So, makes me excited, no? Kasi dami nag-aabang nito. Hot series is one of the more popular series ni Infinix. So, hindi natin pwede palagpasin to. Yun, no? Ganda ka ng packaging this time, ah. Got a orange color. Matte finish likod. This is how it looks like ng camera. On the sides. Uy, meron pa siyang ano, ah. Ano to? Camera. Probably. Malalaman natin sa full review natin. And it's curved, hindi flat. Sa ibabaw, meron siyang dual speakers. And SIM tray niya. So, meron tayong SIM ejector tool, user guide, warranty card. Uy, maganda nga ng jelly case. Uy, nakaka-excite. Ganda. Bagay, no? Diba? Perfect. I like yung color. Honestly. And meron siyang 45 watts na charging brick. And ito ang yung charging cable. Now, abangan niyo guys, so aking full review dito sa phone nito, which is coming pretty soon. And malapit na mag-sale itong phone nito. So definitely kailangan abangan itong phone nito. The Infinix Hot 70. So, I'll see you in my full review. Kung gusto niyo mabili nitong phone nito, dyan lang sa Yellow Basket.